Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto Edge 20 Pro, and let me share with you how to enable Google Backup on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom and find System. Now we have to tap on Advanced and enter the Backup option, and as you can see here we've got the first step of adding a Google account, so simply tap on Add Account. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation, and from this step we can either create a new backup account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. And as you can see, we do not have to put whole email address. We can just enter the first part before the @ symbol. So let's tap on Next, and right now we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Okay, let's tap on Next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it, and here you've got all the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. And here we've got the information about the backup itself. So here we've got the info that we are be able to use 15 gigabytes of Google account storage to backup apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings, and text messages. Of course, you can tap on more details and you will receive more info. What's more, we can check that we will actually our device will back up the data automatically, will store it securely, and you will be able to manage the backup easily. So if you want to turn on the backup right now, just tap on turn on. If not, you can tap on not now, and after I don't know, a few hours or days, or whenever you will decide that you want to turn on the backup right now, just tap on backup again. And as you can see, you will immediately come back to this step, so simply tap on turn on. And here we've got some information, so we've got the account storage, how much gigabytes we've got used, and here we've got the backup details, so what will be backed up. If you want to back up right now, just tap here, and as you can see, your device is backing up your data, and everything will be stored on your Google Drive. So actually this is it. This is how to enable Google Backup in your Motorola Moto Edge 20 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.